session, we are taking chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Focusing on title of assignment XP 22 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Patient. Here is project description. You can see your project you can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course from my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Question 1 is that start Excel, download, open the file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download it easily from your portal. You can see this. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 2. In question number 2, create a cluster column chart using the range A2 to C2 on the April worksheet. Move the chart to A1 in the chart sheet. Basically in this step we will have to create a cluster column chart using this range. First we select this range A2 to C2. You can select this range and then on the April worksheet move the chart into A1. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Then click on insert tab. Then click on recommended chart. Then click on cluster column chart. Okay, cut the chart and paste into cell A1. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Move the chart to A1 in the chart sheet. Right click on this. Move chart sheet. Okay, and right click on this, cut and paste into cell A1, or you can move the chart on the top left corner to A1. Now moving on next question is question number 3. In question number 3 is that the chart change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April and bold the title. Okay, basically in this question we will have to change the chart title. You can copy this chart title, blood pressure reading in April, and moving on Excel workbook, click on chart title and tap chart title here, or you can paste here blood pressure reading in April. This is done now. Now bold the chart title. This is done. This question is completely done. Now moving on next question. In next question is that change the chart type to cluster bar. Question number 4 is that change the chart type to cluster bar. Moving on Excel workbook. Now click on chart and then click on chart design and then click on chart type. Change chart type cluster bar. Click on bar and then cluster bar, then press OK. Chart type will be changed here. This is done. Now moving on question number 5. In question number 5 is that set 4 inches height. Set 4 inches height. Moving on Excel workbook, click on chart. Click on format tab and then you can change height to 4 inches. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 6. In question number 6, select the dates on the axis and display the format axis task pane. In the axis option category, select x-axis to remove the extra date from the charts. Okay, basically in this question we will have to select the dates on the axis and display the format axis task pane. You can read this carefully and then moving on Excel workbook and then right click on chart, right click on date axis and then click on format axis. Sorry, 1 second. Select text axis to remove the extra date from the charts. Okay, select text axis here. You can select text axis and then remove extra date from the chart. Click on text axis. Okay, scroll up. Here is text axis. You can see automatically set based on the data. Text axis, date axis. You can select text axis on here. Okay. You can select text axis and remove extra date from the charts. This is done now. This question is completely done. Now moving on question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment now. Now moving question number 7 is that In customer 7, display the dates in the reverse order on the category axis so that 4/1/2024 is the top of the vertical axis. Moving on Excel workbook, click on dates, right click on this and then reverse in orders. 4/1/2022 on the top of the date is now. Now moving on, next question. Question number 8. In question number 8, create a line chart using the range A3 to A7 and D3 to D7 on the April worksheet. Move the chart to start and cell I1. Okay, moving on, April worksheet first. Click on April worksheet. Then you can select this ranges A1 to A3 to A7, and then the second range is that D3 to D7. You can copy this range and then enter this range on the April worksheet. Okay, press Ctrl and select second range. Okay, then go to the insert tab, then click on charts, then go to the all charts, then you can click on line chart, then press OK. Line chart will be inserted. Okay, line chart start and cell I1 in the chart sheet. Move the chart to start and cell I1 in the chart sheet. Moving on Excel workbook first. Okay, then click on move chart and then click on objective and then chart sheet, then press OK. Okay, and move the chart to I1 is here. I1 is here. This is done now. Now moving on question number 9. I have done 8 questions of this assignment now. Now moving on question number 9. In question number 9, set 3.5 inches height and 5 inches width. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on chart, line chart, then click on format. 3.5 inches is the height and then 5% is width. This is done now. I have done 9 questions. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that change the line chart title to hot rates in April and bold the title. Copy this hot rates in April. You can copy this title and then moving on Excel workbook. Okay, click on chart title and then tap hot rates in April. This is done now. This question is done now. Now moving on question number 11. In question, and bold the title. Click on chart title and go to the home tab and click on bold. You can select this title, go to the home tab and click on bold. Chart title will be bolded. Now moving on next question. In next question, question 11, select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra date from the line chart. Select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra dates from the line chart. Moving on Excel workbook, click on dates, right click on this, format axis. You can select text axis and remove extra date from the charts. This is done now. Okay, now moving on next question, question number 12. In question number 12, apply black text 1 font color to the value axis and the category axis on the line chart. Okay, apply black text 1 font color. Moving on Excel workbook, you can select category axis and value axis. Go to the font color, apply black text 1 font color, then select value axis and select black 1 font text color. This question is completely done now. Now moving on question number 13. I have done 12 questions now. Now question number 13 is that apply light gradient SL1 gradient fill color to the plot area on the line chart. Okay, apply light gradient SL1 gradient fill color to the plot area on chart. Moving on Excel workbook, click on plot area, right click on this. Okay, and then click on format plot area, then click on fill color and click on gradient fill color and then scroll down and light gradient SL1 fill color. This is done now. Okay, I have done 13 question now. Now moving on question number 14. In question number 14, add data label in the above position on the line chart. Okay, add data label in the above position on the line chart. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this, click on plus sign, click on data label and then select above position on the line chart. This is done now. Now moving on question number 15. In question number 15, Create 2D pie chart using the ranges F3 to F4 and H3 to H4. In the April worksheet, move the chart to start at 22. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on April worksheet. First we select this ranges 2. Okay, and then press Ctrl and select second range H3 to H4. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, press Ctrl and select second range H3 to H4. Okay, move the chart. Okay, create a 2D pie chart. Okay, move the chart into a 22 in the chart sheet. First we click on Insert tab. Click on Insert tab, click on pie chart and then select 2D pie chart. Okay, then click on 2D pie chart, then click on chart, click on move chart, click on object in chart sheet, then press OK. Chart will be moved on the chart sheet and then right click on this, or you can move this cell A22 to the pie chart. Move the pie chart to cell A22. This question is completely done. I have done 15 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 16. Question number 16 is that change the chart title to percentage of normal and high blood pressure and then apply black text one font color to the title. You can copy this title, percentage of normal and high blood pressure. Okay, click on chart title. You can type title here. Percentage of normal and high blood pressure. Okay, and then apply text one color to the title. Select the chart title and go to the home tab. Okay, then go to the home tab and then click on font color. Select black one font color to the chart title. This question is completely done right now. Now moving on question number 17. In question number 17, remove the legend, add category name and percentage data label in the best fit position. Right click on this. Okay, remove the legend first, then click on data label, add category name and percentage data label and best fit position. Remove the value data labels. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Okay, right click on this and then click on data labels. Click on more option. First we best fit position and then click on more option. Okay, select categories name and then percentage and remove the value data label and then remove the value data label. Remove the value data label. This question is completely done now. Now moving on question number 18. Question number 18 is that apply red solid fill color to the high slice and explode the slice by 6%. Apply red solid fill color to the high slice and explode the slice by 6%. Okay, you can select this slice and then slice explode the, first click solid fill color, red solid fill color to the high hypotenuse slice and then explode the slice by 6%. You can select this slide and then explode it 6%. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now moving on question number, next question, question number 19. Question number 19 is that create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart using the range A2 to A7 in the April worksheet. Move the chart to a chart sheet named combo chart. Okay, first we select this range A2 to D7 in the April worksheet and then create a clustered column line on secondary axis. Click on April worksheet. You can select first this range A2 to. Okay, then click on Insert tab. Okay, click on Insert tab, then click on line on secondary combo all chart, then click on combo chart line on secondary combo chart, then press OK. This chart will be inserted now. Move the chart to chart sheet name combo chart. You can copy this chart sheet name combo chart and then click on move chart and new sheet is that combo chart. Okay, then press OK. This question is completely done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is just question number 20. Apply style 4 chart style to the combo chart. Apply style 4 chart style to the combo chart. Now moving on Excel workbook, click on style 4 chart to the combo chart. You can select this chart. Now moving on next question. This question is completely done. Now next question is question number 21. Change the chart to blood pressure, heart rates. Change the chart title to click on chart title. Then you can tap there chart title. Blood pressure, heart rate. Okay, select the dates and select text axis. Remove the extra date from the chart. Moving in Excel workbook, click on dates, right click on this, click on and then select text axis. Okay, this is done. I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quiz, or complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.